Hello friends, good evening everyone, and today I would like to talk about in English and talk about myself because I have a big dreams and I want have a good job and money for help my family, and so I learn English well, and I traveled many countries. I meet new people. I know that English is the key of better life, but sometimes I feel tired, sometimes I feel lazy, and sometimes I look at the English book so feel bored. But I tell myself, keep going, even if I practice only 10 minutes daily. If I make me better, even if make mistakes, so I make mistakes, and make mistakes and I don't need to perfect, but I need to try step by step, day by day, and when I said, I remember who I started, and I remember my goals, and I take deep breath and keep going now again, and I small words with sentences. I make small stories in our mind, and I talk in English with a small words. I full try, and I don't compare anyone. I compare only to myself. That who I am, who am I yesterday, and today who I am. So for the time I keep practicing and keep consistency in my learning English. And I take a few words, I take basic simple words with sentences, and I try speak in English small words, and I promise to myself that I can do it. One day I will speak in English better, and one day I speak in English fluently. But sometimes I feel hesitation, so that I don't speak out in English fluently. But I try full speak in English, and we always remember that keep practicing and keep consistency with myself. So I read many books and catch new words, new vocabulary, new sentences, and I talk in English about outside. Actually I have not environment that who's talk to in English and not, so that I confuse okay, that I speak in English till in English at home alone, but I try I speak in English at home when I live in alone, and when I go to outside and I see around that woman, that persons, that children and animals. So when I started speak in English, well, I walk in the morning, so I speak in English. I walking in the morning. At home, I um, speak in English. I clean on the table, and in the park, I speak in English. I sit on the bench. So that make many few simple sentences, simple vocabulary, and I speak in English. Try to speak in English. And so guys, I tell you that you when you not started speak in English loudly, um, first of all you make mistakes and learn your mistakes, okay, what I to do or not, and what I sing or not. So guys, don't compare anyone's yourselves, and you start fluently in English. So with simple sentences, with simple vocabulary, and always you read books in English, and catch new words, vocabulary, and you speak in English helpful that vocabulary. So guys, I sing with myself, keep consistency, and keep practicing. And I tell you, and I will sing to you, keep practicing and keep consistency if you want speak in English fluently. I want speak in English fluently, so that I am keep practicing and keep consistency always. And I practice mm, only 10 minutes daily, because I have no time, so that I don't prepared myself. When I make time, when I had time, I started speaking English. So sometimes I start in English on the watching TV, on the children playing outside. So I speak it in English, speak in English fluently. So guys, I give advice myself and you. Keep practicing and consistency, and make more mistakes and learn these mistakes. So and so I will one day I speak in English fluently. Okay guys,